We make it easy to label all kinds of clothing: t-shirts, socks, hats, and even delicate fabrics like swimwear. First, you need to empty out all the water from your iron and turn the steam function off. For cotton clothing, put the heat setting on medium to hot. Peel one of your clothing labels off the backing sheet and place it on top of the fabric. Then put the baking paper on top. With your iron, avoid using the area around the steam holes to apply the heat to the label. Use the flat part of the iron instead to give consistent pressure. Place your hot iron on top and hold it completely still for approximately 10 seconds. Remove the iron and baking paper and check how your label has adhered. The label should look like it has merged with the fabric. If you notice any part that looks like it's peeling off, simply repeat the steps above and place the iron back onto the stubborn area for another few seconds. Your label should be completely adhered and will stay stuck in washing machines and clothes dryers, and are so durable they'll probably outlast your kids' clothing.